Hi guys, Mr. 55771 here. Today is going to be a mega video. I have 60 packets of, wait for it, I have 60 packets of Holon Phantoms. Very nice. I've already counted these and I did get 63, but I opened 3 off camera. So I've got 60 to open. So this is going to be a few parts, I think. I won't be showing the commons, uncommons, etc. Just my rares and reverses, because I've already uploaded a box on these, so I'll try and get these done very quickly. These parts are going to be 15 minutes long, because I know that YouTube's put the time limit up a bit, which is awesome, right? So I'll just get straight on. Just put them there. Put them like that. So, hoping for some awesome cards. I'll probably be opening all these. So I really like the set. Right, let's go. Skip these. Got a lightning energy. Nice. And my rare is a sable eye. So I'm going to do this. Keep that there. Put that on the side. Job's good. Okay, I'll do the trick and then I'll put them on the side. 1, 2, and 2. It's my reverse and my rare. Put them there. My rare reverse is electric. Nice. My rare is metal energy, multi-energy, sorry. Sucks. I'll just turn this camera around, guys. Sorry for a second. There we go. Right. Moving on. One, two, 1, 2. My reverse and my rare. My reverse is an executor. Cool, looks awesome artwork. And my rare is a Malwai. Oh, you dog. Just let this focus. Right. Next pack. Right. 1, 2, 1, 2. Oh, my reverse is an Aerodactyl. It's got a stupid line down it, so that sucks. And my rare is, kind of pick it up, and my rare is a Regirock. Cool. Focus, please. There we are, Regirock. Nice. Moving on. Right, we've got a Barboach, reverse, and my rare is a Regice. Nice. Skip them. What do we have? We've got a Fanfy reverse. What do we do? A Relicanth rare. Yeah, I got these from eBay. So, a crazy cheap. I can't remember how much I paid for. I think it was only like £1 odd for a packet, I think. I can't really remember. My rare is Gyarados reverse, which looks awesome. Very nice. And my rare is an Absol. Registale reverse. Looks awesome. Love the Reggie Pokemon. I think they're cool. And in a Cradily Hollow, which is quality, which I think I needed. If I'm not, can't really remember. But yeah, it's got a line down as well, which sucks. So I won't be putting this in my collection. So I'll probably just end up selling this one, because they have to be absolute mint. Yeah, it's got a good filthy line down it. But never mind, it's hollow. Right, moving on. My reverse is a Holon, looks pretty cool. Very nice. And my rare is a Mewtwo. Awesome, awesome. Right. My reverse is a Pucciana, whatever. My rare is an Absol again. I want some out of these packs. This is ripping. Awesome Pichu. Reverse is a Sharpedo. Very nice. And my rare is another Relicanth. Awesome Donphan though. It's a bit closer. Right, we got my reverse is an Aeron. My rare is Nose Pass, sucks. My reverse, my reverse is a Pucciana again, and my rare is a Kabutops, which is quality, which I needed. That looks pretty damn good. Yeah. Looks awesome. So that'll go straight in my binder. Come on, I can roll, man. Right. My reverse is a Fighting Energy. It's cool. My rare is a Raichu Hollow. I already have this, so this is up for sale or trade. So just PM us if you're interested, please. Very nice, very nice. Wouldn't mind any of the gold stars from this set. I think they look awesome, especially the Gyarados. And my reverse is a Holon Lake. And my rare is a Latias rare. I already have that, so that's up for sale or trade. Holon Venture, China Go. I don't know some of these packs that they're ripping easy. Right. Reverse is a Horsey. My rare is a Vileplume, which I already have, I think, from my boost box. So this is up for sale or trade, guys. Just let me know. Holon Lake and Holland's cast form. Man. My reverse is a Grass Energy. Quality. And my rare is a Zangoose. Primate. Awesome little Primate there. Claydol looks pretty damn cool as well. I also like to say just thank you very much for all the subscribers. I have reached 500 finally. So I'd just like to thank you very much. And if I haven't already, I would have uploaded like a raffle vid for 500. So if that's still going, please go and check it out. Holon Phantom, Reverse, and Metal Energy. And my rares and Mewtwo. It's nice. Raichu looks awesome. Double Baltoy there. Baltoy Reverse and Sableye Rare. We've got Psychic Energy. Reverse Rare. Cool. Where rare is a Deoxys. I'm not sure what form that is, but I think I needed that. I'm not sure. I can't remember. A couple skin. So plenty of holos, but not many AXs. Pikachu Reverse, quality, and a Registeel rare. Cool. Kabutops rare, nice, and a Regirock rare. Try and get these packs done. We've got a Lightning Energy Reverse Rare. And my rare is a Rayquaza, which looks awesome, which I think I needed as well. So I'm chuffed with that. We've got Fire Energy, Reverse Rare, and another Rayquaza, which I already have. So that's up for sale or trade, if anybody wants it. That's 2 minutes, so I'll probably not get these done. I may as well separate these parts out as well, so you don't get all Holon Phantoms. Because no doubt people are sick and tired of seeing the cards. A Relief Energy and a Gyarados Holo, very nice. I think I already have, so that's up for sale or trade. Winner of focuses, please. Yeah, it's not going to focus, please. There we go. Finally, looks awesome. It's the time. I'll get open a couple of more if I can. Still waiting for my first EX, like, but what can you do? Psychic Energy and another Creadilly, very nice. Make this the last pack for this, guys. We've got a Relief Energy, and my rare is an Absol. Right, I will cut this video there, so part 2 will be the rest of them. I'm not sure how many's there, so please stay tuned. Part 2, thank you.